How to log in into HSBC credit card account online. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to logged in into HSBC Bank, the steps are quite simple. First of all, open any of your preferred browser and go to the link hsbc.co.uk. It should directly redirect you to the login page. If you do not find it, tap on the log on button, which should be on the top right corner of the home page. Next up, you have to enter your username and then the credentials to get logged in. However, if you do not remember it, click on Forgot Username, and here are a few methods by which you can verify your username. First one is using your account number by sorting code, or you could use your credit card number, invest direct number, or investment account number. By any of such method, you can rectify your username and get logged in. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.